Good morning everyone. I am Ayaz Chaudhary welcoming you to the fresh vegetable market in the Presidency School premises. Now,
Start.
our tiny toddlers in the fresh vegetable attire participating in the ramp walk.
Vegetables, vegetables we have seen, and some so green. Vegetables, vegetables make us strong. Some are round and some are long. Vegetables, those green and fresh, they can be eaten plain or dressed. Vegetables, vegetables, some so green. Vegetables, vegetables make us strong. Some are vegetables green and fresh. They can be eaten plain or dressed. And some so green. Vegetables, vegetables make us strong. Vegetables, vegetables we have seen. Some so red and some so green. Vegetables, vegetables make us strong. Some are round and some are long. Vegetables, vegetables green and fresh. They can be eaten plain.
Do you have fresh vegetables? Yes, all the vegetables here are fresh. What is the cost of tomato? Ma'am, it is 30 rupees per kg. Give me 1 kg of tomato. Thank you. Papa, why do you want tomato? Tomatoes give protection for brain, heart, and gut health. It's a good source of nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Ladyfinger is a good source of carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, calcium, potassium, and it is my favorite vegetable. Thank you. Carrots are full of benefits. It promotes healthy vision, balance blood sugar, lower risk of cancer, and reduce heart disease. So we should eat carrot regularly. Bitter gourd control and lower blood sugar level.